In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Wix Studio to the Wix Classic Editor. If you've been working with Wix and you're thinking about making this transition, you might be seeking more control over certain design features. Or perhaps you're just simply more comfortable with the Classic Editor's interface. Whatever your reason, we'll guide you through this process step by step. First, we need to navigate to Wix.com. Open up your preferred browser and type in Wix.com. Once you've reached the home page, you'll want to sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Your dashboard will be your next stop. It's where you'll manage all your sites and get the ball rolling on this transition. From the dashboard, look for the site you want to switch from Wix Studio to the Classic Editor. Once you've spotted it, you're going to click on the Edit Site button. Clicking on Edit Site will open the Wix Studio app for your selected site. This is the environment you've been working in, and you'll be transitioning out of it in just a few minutes. Now take a moment to check that everything loads correctly and that you're in the right place. Once you're sure, it's time to move forward. Here's where we make the crucial change. Look around for a Wix logo or option. In many of these interfaces, the logo acts like a home button. When you click it, a list of available tools and options becomes visible, revealing the option to switch to the Classic Editor. A quick note. As you make this switch, remember that the Classic Editor provides a different set of tools and capabilities than what you might be used to in Wix Studio. Expect some designs to look a bit different due to changes in available styling and layout options. It's a good idea to give everything a thorough look over and make necessary adjustments to ensure your content displays as intended. After initializing the transition, the interface will lead you into the Classic Editor. Some users find this interface more intuitive due to its traditional design elements and straightforward layout. Here, you access a broader range of customization options without the responsive constraints of Wix Studio, which might be exactly what you are looking for. And there you have it. You're now working within the Wix Classic Editor. Take some time to poke around the environment if you haven't made the switch before. Familiarize yourself with the tools and maybe attempt a couple of sample edits to get the hang of the controls. This preparation will be beneficial as you reacclimate with this editor's style. Swapping editors can seem daunting at first, but with these instructions, the whole process is simple and manageable. We hope this guide was helpful, and we look forward to seeing the amazing changes you make to your website. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!